بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں میڈیا پوائنٹ 071.
I'm thrilled to be here in Sindh to see the great work that USAID has been doing on specifically treating malnutrition in the wake of the floods. We know malnutrition was a problem here in Sindh even before the floods, but it's become worse since the floods. It's terrific. I could announce today an additional $16.4 million to treat severe acute malnutrition, to treat malnutrition in general, and also to assist the lady health workers in the work that they're doing in providing primary health care to really half the population here in Sindh, mothers and children, with everything from immunizations to family planning to maternal care. So it really runs the whole spectrum. The $16.4 million, of course, is on top of the $200 million that USAID has already delivered in the wake of the floods. That's helping to rehabilitate health facilities like this and for reconstruction purposes and rehabilitation and much of the health work that we've already talked about. So it really is a pleasure and an honor to be here.
Okay, first question.
Asia from Bootki, thank you very much.
Made a commitment to help this region recover, to rebuild, to become stronger and to be more ready for disaster next time. Coming back here now, and we've continued to work. We've continued to work here throughout. We have absolutely not forgotten that commitment, and have been down here for the last 6 months, and we see progress, which is great. But there's lots more to do, and in particular, as we're down here, we see the problem of nutrition emerging as one of the most important ones. There are still 1.6 million children that are suffering severe acute malnutrition here. Through our programs, through our partnership with UNICEF and World Food Program and our other partners down here, we are feeding about 85,000 of those individuals who suffer from severe acute malnutrition, who need emergency intervention. With the new money that was announced today by the Deputy Administrator, $16.4 million, we're now going to be feeding about 129,000 individuals. So we're going to continue to try to intervene on behalf of those folks who are suffering from that devastating condition of severe acute malnutrition. Obviously, we're also working on other areas, on health, on water management and infrastructure, and trying to help the people of Sindh to recover from this.
This is RUTF being handed over by the DA to